Forge is here at Space Tech Expo Europe. It's our first time coming to this conference, and it's been an incredible way to bring ourselves back into the European ecosystem, ready to start the development of the industrial base for the Forge Star 2, our second generation and commercial platform for enabling semiconductor manufacturing in space at scale and return to Earth. The key takeaway from Space Forge being here at Space Tech Expo Bremen has really been how much collaboration is available to us as a sector and to us as a company as we build out our next platform. It's been really remarkable to engage with prime organizations, with customers, with our supply base, with new partners, with key stakeholders like the European Space Agency and UK Space Agency, all while here under one roof over a period of 3 days. To fit all of that activity into one single event for us is an incredible achievement, because it means that when we come here, after we're done, we go straight back and get ready building the next platform.
Space Tech Expo is really important for us to get our name out there, particularly in the European market, engage with new suppliers, but also speak to government people in ESA, UK government, UK Space Agency, make sure our particular challenges are known and try to work with those governments and bodies to overcome them and keep building and growing ourselves.